Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with our group. With the members is the first Rayhan Aryobimo Nugroho with ID number 192122097, and the second is Aghniya Rahmah Fauziah with ID number 192122146, and the third is Ifny Silvia Utami with ID number 192122125. And the fourth is Shofy Qolbi Nurazizah with ID number 192122150. And the last, me, Mir'atul Khayati with ID number 192122131. So here we will give you another topic about functional grammar. At the previous presentation, we have to present about theme and rhyme. And this time, we will explain about thematic progression. So if you don't know about what is thematic progression, it will be a wise choice if you watch this video till the end. So let's check it out. The first material is the definition of thematic progression. Thematic progression is the way in which the theme of the clause can be retrieved or repeated from the meaning of the previous theme or rhyme. Agents 1997 stated that thematic progression is the process of determining the theme in each clause has to follow. But why are we doing this? What is the function of this thematic progression? Well, its function is a bridge. It helps in making coherent text and structured grammar. According to Danes 1974, there are three types of thematic progression. The first one is simple linear progression or zigzag pattern, and the second one is constant continuous theme, and the last one is theme progression with derived theme. I think it's just enough for me. The next material will be presented by next presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rayhan Aryobimo Nugroho. I'm here right now. I'm going to tell you about linear progression. Well, linear progression is where the theme relates to the rhyme of the preceding utterance. In other words, the rhyme portion of each sentence becomes the rhyme of the following clause. Well, according to Danes in 1974, this is the most elementary or basic thematic progression. Well, this is illustrated here with example 1. The division of theme and rhyme is indicated by slash, and the division of T units is indicated by double slash. You can see it right here. The theme of the previous clause appears as the theme of the next clause. You can see it right here. I'm putting the example 1. Human history slash themes with stories and momentous blunders in a wide range of disciplines, double slash, some of these are consequential errors, slash, go all the way back to the scriptures or the Greek mythology. In example 1, the subsequent theme picks up on information provided for in the previous rhyme. These can be mapped as number 1, human history slash themes with stories of momentous blunders in a wide range of disciplines. Number 2, some of these are consequential errors slash go all the way back to the scriptures or the Greek mythology. It's shown right here, T1 plus R1, T2 equals R1 plus R2. Well, linear progression involves the following relevant relations, like R1 equals T2, T1 doesn't equal to T2, R1 doesn't equal to R2. That's all from me. Thank you.
Constant continuous theme or thematic reiteration, that is, the theme is picked up and repeat at the beginning of the next clause, signaling that each clause will have something to say about the same theme. from Partridge at 2008 and 148, and the text can be used for both spoken and written language. So the pattern of constant continuous theme is theme 1 plus rhyme 1, theme 2 equals to theme 1 plus rhyme 2. So theme 3 equals to theme 1 and equals to theme 2 plus rhyme 3. So the example is Oprah Winfrey was born in Mississippi on January 29 in 1954. When she was 19 years old, she became the first African American news anchor on WTVF TV in Nashville. So, from the first sentence, Oprah Winfrey was born in Mississippi on January 29 in 1954. Theme 1 is Oprah Winfrey, who was born in Mississippi on January blah blah blah, is rhyme 1. The next sentence is when she was 19 years old. When she was she here is the theme 2, which is C equals to Oprah Winfrey and equals to same with the theme 1 plus was 19 years old is rhyme 2. The next clause, the next sentence is she became the first African American news anchor on WTVF TV in Nashville. And she is theme 3, which is Oprah Winfrey, equals to theme 1, same with also with theme 2, plus become the first African American news anchor on WTVF TV in Nashville is rhyme 3, and the next presenter will be present by Aghniya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aghniya Fauziah. My student's number is 1921214 and 6. And here, I want to describe a little bit about thematic progression with derived themes. Okay, highlights one general theme from which other themes are derived. The particular themes are derived from hypertheme of a paragraph or the other text section. The topics of each sentence are individually different, but all derived from the overriding theme. Okay, let's see the pattern in the PowerPoint. Theme 1 plus rhyme 1. In the middle is theme 2 plus rhyme 2, and the last is theme 3 plus rhyme 3. Okay, for more details, let's see the example. This text shows how this pattern works in a text, and the underlined words are theme of the clauses. Okay, let me read first. Ecuador is situated on the equator in the northwest of South America. The economy is based on oil and agricultural products. More oil is produced in Ecuador than any other South American country except Venezuela. Bananas, coffee, and cocoa are grown there. The people are mostly of Indian origin. From the text, we can see theme 1 and rhyme 1, theme 2 and rhyme 2, and theme 3 plus rhyme 3. So, the Ecuador is theme 1, and the economy is theme 2, and more oil is theme 3. And for rhyme, close in the sentence. Sentence 1 is situated on the equator in the northwest of South America is rhyme 1. And the clause from sentence 2 is based on oil and agricultural products is rhyme 2. And the clause from sentence 3 is produced in Ecuador than any other South American country except Venezuela is rhyme 3. And that also applies to the next sentence. So, this text shows that the second theme The third theme, the fourth theme, the fifth theme, and the sixth theme give information concerning equator. In this case, they serve as the sub-themes from the hyper-theme or brief description of.
My name is Shofy Qolbi Nurazizah. My student's number is 192122150. Now I will conclude the material that my friends have described. Okay, definition of thematic progression is thematic progression the way in which the theme of the clause can be reserved or repeated from the meaning of previous theme or rhyme. According to Dance 1974, there are three types of thematic progression. Simple linear progression is where the theme relates to the rhyme of the preceding utterance. Example, human history or themes with stories of momentous blunders in a wide range of disciplines. Constant continuous theme or thematic reiteration is the theme is picked up and repeated at the beginning of the next clause, signaling that each clause will have something to say about the same theme. Example, TH1, Oprah Winfrey plus RH1. TH2, C, Oprah Winfrey, theme 1 plus RH2. TH3, C, Oprah Winfrey, theme 1, theme 2 plus RH3. The figures illustrate a superior theme, hypertheme. In other words, the themes in the following sentence are smaller parts of the hypertheme.
I think it's just enough for us. Thank you for your kind attention and thank you for watching. We hope this explanation will help you to understand about thematic progression. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.